Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your purchases with Target RedCard detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your purchases with Target RedCard, first, create an account if you don't already have one. Select the RedCard option in the menu. Choose between a debit card or credit card based on your preference. Fill out the application with your personal information. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, link your RedCard to your Target account. Now, explore the benefits of your RedCard. Enjoy a 5% discount on every purchase at Target stores and online. Take advantage of exclusive promotions and price matching policies. Consider using your RedCard for online orders to earn cashback. Set up your RedCard to automatically apply discounts at checkout. Keep an eye on Target's weekly ads for additional savings opportunities. Use your RedCard on sale items to maximize discounts. Track your purchases through your Target account for better budgeting. Consider adding the Target app to get notifications about deals and rewards. Enroll in Target Circle for additional savings and personalized offers. Stay informed about special events like RedCard Appreciation Days. Remember to pay your RedCard bill on time to avoid interest charges. Check for limited time offers that may boost your savings. Use your RedCard in conjunction with store promotions for greater benefits. Review your statements regularly to track your savings. By following these steps, you can make the most of your Target RedCard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.